Okay, we are given the question, in the continental United States, the ratio of states that border an ocean to states that do not border an ocean is 7 to 9. How many of the states border an ocean? So let's write out what we know. 7 to 9 is our ratio of states that border an ocean to not bordering an ocean. So 7 being what do border the ocean, so they're next to an ocean, and 9 are not next to an ocean. The next piece is that in the continental United States. So continental United States means all the states that are attached, so we don't include Hawaii and Alaska. So we know there's 50 states in the United States, so there's only 48 continental. So if you notice, that piece could easily trip us up. Okay, so to find out this is a part-to-part ratio, by the way, and we have a target whole here, which is 48. So our two parts of our ratio are 7 and 9, so we need to add them together, 7 plus 9, to get 16 as the whole version of our ratio. So I'm going to find out how many times 16 goes into 48, because if I find out how many times 16 goes into 48, I know the multiplier that I need to use to bring my 7 and 9 up to their actual numbers. So 16 times something equals 48. Well, I think it's 3, so I'll check my work. 16 times 3 equals 48 over here. So I know that I'm right with that. All I need to do is use 3 as my multiplier for the two parts of my ratio to get the actual numbers. So the actual numbers I get are that there are 21 states that border an ocean. Remember, the 7 had to do with bordering an ocean. And there are 27 states that do not border an ocean, because the 9 was related to that. I check my work to make sure that this will in fact equal 48 altogether. So 21 plus 27 equals 48. And I get that that is true. And I go back to my original question, and it asked me how many states border an ocean. So my answer should be this: 21 states border an ocean. Whoops, this should be a box right here. And we're done.